Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to fix your product not showing up in Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into your Shopify store and then open your Shopify dashboard. After that, from the left menu bar, click on the products button. After opening the products page, select the product which is not showing up on the website. After selecting it, click on the Sales Channels and App button and then click on the Manage button. Now select Online Store and then click Done. So here save the changes. Now go to the website and search for the product, and here's the product. So that's how you will solve your product is not showing up issue in Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.